Over thousands of years, humans have evolved in their physical appearance and brain development. This evolution, particularly the increased mental capacity, has led to considerable technological advances. However, our other internal organs have remained predominantly unchanged since man first walked the earth. This is the liver. It is located here and in an average adult is about the size of a flattened rugby ball. It weighs about 1.5 kilograms, which is 3.3 pounds, or 1.5 bags of sugar. The liver is essential for life. We wouldn't survive without it. It's an unappreciated organ, but performs over 500 functions daily. It acts as a chemical processing factory. Everything we eat, breathe, drink, or inject gets processed here. Your liver sorts out what is useful to your body and what is toxic, stores glucose and releases it when you need a boost, makes bile to help digest food, produces essential proteins and hormones, breaks down ingredients in medicines so the body can absorb them quickly, helps with clotting, and so much more. You need to look after your liver just like you would look after your car. If you don't treat it well, it won't perform well, and it may fail you completely. There are many types of liver disease, such as fatty liver disease, autoimmune disease, which occurs when the body attacks itself, primary sclerosing cholangitis, alcohol and drug damage, hepatitis, and many others. Liver disease can affect anyone, including babies, children, and adults. It's a clever organ, and if damaged, it can repair itself, but only to a certain point. Sometimes liver disease causes so much damage that it can no longer regenerate and repair itself. In our grandparents' era, if your liver failed, you died. Today, there are options to treat liver disease, such as drugs or even a transplant. Sadly, not everyone who needs a transplant is lucky enough to receive one, which is mainly due to the shortage of organ donors. The University of Birmingham is an amazing research facility that has a large team of scientists who conduct research into lots of different types of liver disease and help develop new drugs or treatments. Research undertaken in Birmingham is highly respected throughout the world. Our science is cutting edge, and our experts are renowned for their work. Many of our scientists are also clinical doctors, which means they work with patients at the Queen Elizabeth Hospital. Being based next to this super hospital means we have access to fantastic facilities, and they have access to our fantastic scientific minds and resources. Some forms of liver disease can now be prevented with vaccinations and drugs, but different types of liver disease are taking their place, such as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. This is a fairly modern disease, mainly caused by obesity due to an unhealthy lifestyle. In extreme cases, a transplant may be required. Our research and work with patients is never-ending. And who knows what scientific breakthroughs we will develop in the future.